Tap tech, where smart tech meets real talk. Today we're looking at something that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Glasses that don't just help you see, but help you think, learn, and live smarter. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are here, and they might just change how we use technology every day. How many times today have you looked down at your phone for something small? Directions, translations, or just checking who texted? Now imagine never needing to reach for your phone again. Instead, you just look ahead, and your glasses show you the answer instantly. That's not the future anymore. That's what Xiaomi is building right now. And once you try it, your phone starts to feel a little outdated. The first thing that stands out is the design. When people hear smart glasses, they think of bulky, awkward frames. But Xiaomi went for style first. At a glance, they look like normal glasses. Slim, light, and nothing that screams gadget. At just around 40 grams, they're comfortable enough to wear for hours. That balance between design and technology is what makes them feel practical. The magic starts with the display. Xiaomi uses a micro-OLED panel with waveguide optics. It creates a small, sharp image that floats in your view. Not too big, not distracting, but bright enough to see text, maps, or translations even outdoors. Imagine walking in a new city and arrows appear right in front of you. Or looking at a menu in another language, and the translation overlays instantly. The first time you see it, you realize this isn't a gimmick, it's useful. But a display isn't enough without brains behind it. That's where Xiaomi's AI system comes in. This isn't just a voice assistant. It's context-aware. It can respond to your environment, not just your commands. Look at a sign, and it translates. Look at a landmark, and it pulls up info. Of course, you can still ask questions, check the weather, or see your schedule. But when the AI reacts to what you're doing, that's when it feels futuristic. There's also a camera built in, hidden neatly in the frame. It's 12 megapixels and quick to activate. Just tap, and you capture a moment from your own perspective. Perfect for travel, daily life, or creators who want hands-free shots. And because the glasses sync instantly with your phone or cloud, everything is saved right away. Now, battery life. With all this tech inside, you might expect it to drain fast. Xiaomi claims around 5 to 6 hours of active use. Not all day, but enough for on-the-go tasks. With lighter use, they'll last longer. Charging is simple with the magnetic dock. It's not perfect, but considering the size, it's solid. Audio is handled by open-ear speakers in the frame. They direct sound toward your ears without blocking your surroundings. You can hear AI responses, calls, or music clearly while staying aware of the world. Calls are crisp, music is decent, and people nearby barely hear it. It feels private without needing earbuds. Connectivity is smooth, especially with Xiaomi phones. Pairing unlocks full features and deep integration. With other Android devices, you still get the core experience, just with fewer extras. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make syncing and transfers quick. It feels polished, not experimental. And then there's price. This is where Xiaomi stands out. Instead of costing thousands like some AR devices, these come in around $600 to $700. Still pricey, but far more accessible. For early adopters and tech lovers, that makes them tempting. So, should you buy them? Here's the real decision. The pros are strong: sleek design, lightweight build, sharp display, real-time translation, smart AI, a solid camera, and a price that undercuts rivals. The cons? Battery life is limited, some features are locked to Xiaomi phones, and they don't replace your phone completely. But think about this. When the first smartphones came out, they weren't perfect. Same with smartwatches and wireless earbuds. At first, they seemed unnecessary. But once people used them, they couldn't go back. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses feel like that kind of product. Not flawless, but the beginning of something bigger. For travelers, they're a game changer. For creators, they offer new ways to capture life. For professionals, quick access to notifications and translations is huge. And for anyone curious about the future, they're a glimpse of what's coming. The final verdict? Xiaomi Smart AI glasses aren't here to replace your phone, but they do make it feel less essential. They show how everyday tech might shift from screens in our hands to displays in our eyes. And once you get used to it, going back feels old-fashioned. Tap Tech, testing the rumors so you don't have to. Until next time, keep looking ahead.